How to add multiple lines in Instagram bio. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up your Play Store. Now tap on the source icon. Then tap on the source bar. Now type Instagram and click on source at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on the update button. Now let the update install and go back to the home screen. Now after installing the update, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on edit profile. Now tap on bio. Now type your first line. Now once you're done, simply tap on the next icon at the bottom right corner. Again type your next line. Again repeat the same process and tap on OK next. Now tap on the tick icon at the top right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.